Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Have you heard about Snapchat's newest feature called My AI? According to Snapchat, My AI is a chatbot that is designed to be your personal sidekick and help you with a variety of tasks. In this video, I'll explain what Snapchat My AI is and how it works. Let's go! Before getting started, My AI is only available to Snapchat Plus subscribers. Snapchat Plus is the app's paid service that allows subscribers to access new features firsthand. If you're interested in getting My AI, you can just visit one of our videos where we talked about how you can get it. In case you're already subscribed to Snapchat Plus, make sure you're using the updated version of Snapchat. To check for any available updates, open the App Store, search for Snapchat, and tap on the update button if it's displayed on your end. Once you've subscribed to Snapchat Plus, My AI is automatically enabled by default. To access it, just open Snapchat and go to the chat screen where My AI is pinned. Simply tap on the conversation to start chatting. My AI can actually do a variety of things such as answer trivia questions, plan a vacation itinerary for you, and suggest a menu. I'm gonna try out the feature by asking the AI various questions starting with who developed Snapchat. And we can also ask, what should I cook today? However, keep in mind that My AI is still in the early stages of release, so sometimes it may generate incorrect or biased answers. But don't worry, you can help improve Snapchat's AI's performance by sending feedback to its developers. How do we do this? We just tap and hold a certain response from My AI and choose Submit Feedback. In the text area provided, you can write a description of how you think it can be improved. Then choose a topic, whether the response is inappropriate, untrue, or unhelpful. As with many AI, the longer you interact with My AI, the better it gets to know you. This allows the feature to provide you with better recommendations or responses based on what the AI has learned from your interactions. For additional customizations, you can actually assign a specific nickname to My AI. To do this, just tap the chat header, click My AI at the top of the dashboard, and rename it to whatever you like. You can also change the wallpaper if you prefer a better chat interface. So from the dashboard, go to Wallpaper and click Change Wallpaper. You can browse through the list of available wallpapers to choose from, and once you have the one, tap the Confirm button to save your changes. That's it. That is how we use Snapchat's My AI.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.